Let's go to page 105 and let's do number 162. It says which of the four numbers are rational? So first one is square root of pi square. So square root and square will cancel out, so this will equal to pi. So this is irrational. Okay. And the next one, the cube root of 8, 0.8. So this one you probably can make into fraction first. So this becomes cube root of 8 over 10. And so this would be equal to 2 over cube root of 10. Okay, and this one you cannot simplify anymore, so this is irrational. Okay. And let's go to the third one. Fourth root of 0.00016. Okay, so you can express this as a fraction. So you got 16 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to be careful with the circles. Okay, and this is a fourth root. Okay, now this one, the top is easy, but the bottom, okay, you're gonna have 10 to the 4 and 10 to the 1. So this part is okay. Okay, so this part is going to get 2, this part is going to give you 10, but the problem is this part right over here, that you're going to get fourth root of 10. Again, this is going to give you irrational. Okay. Now the last one, you have cube root of -1 and square root of 0.09 to the -1 power. Okay, so this one is going to be just equal to -1. This one, that's going to do the square of, now this means 1 over, right? And well, let's go ahead and do the, okay, let's go and convert into fraction first. So this is -1. So this is square root of 9 over 100 to the -1 power. Okay. And then you flip it over, and then you simplify. So you got 10 over 3. So you got -10 over 3. So this is rational. Okay. So only the last one is rational. So the other 3 are irrational. Okay, let's go to numbers 163. Okay, so you got 0.038 and only the 8 repeats. And you want to express as a fraction of the lowest term. And get the sum and the numerator, sum of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so that's only one digit repeating, so that x equal to 0.0038888 ... Okay. Now that's only one digit repeating, so you want to shift over one place. And so therefore you have to multiply by 10. Okay, so you're going to get 38888. So make sure you line up the digits carefully. Okay, and then you subtract, so you got 9x equal to 0.035. Divide by 9. So x equal to, and I'm going to just go ahead and make it 35. I'm going to shift over the digit by 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then after that, that's going to simplify as much as we can. So this is reducible by 5. So it'll be 7 over 1800. Okay, so the sum of the numerator and the denominator will equal to 1807. Okay, let's go to number 164. So this is a base 5. So this kind of be, you got to be careful with this one. So x equal to 0.31 repeating, and this is base 5. Okay, so let's write it out. So that x equal to 0. Leave a little bit space over here, so when you shift over the digit, you have enough space to line up. Equal to equal to 0.3131 31 dot 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 dot. Now remember, now this is base 5, right? So since there are 2 digits repeating, so you have to shift over 2 digits. Means you have to multiply by 100. Okay, 100 in base 5 now. So you're going to get 31.313131 dot 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 dot. Okay. Now when you subtract, now if it's base 10, okay, if it's base 10, 100x minus x will give you 99x, right? So this is 1 less than that. But base 5, and notice that this is base 10. So this would be 1 less than the base. So when you subtract, since this is base 5, you're going to get 1 less than the base. So you're going to get 44, not 99. Again, base 10, okay, if it's a base 10, you're going to get 9. Base 5, you're going to get 4. Okay, and this will equal to 31. Again, this is base 5. Now you divide, so x equal to 31 over 44. Again, this is base 5. So now we need to convert into base 10. Okay, so convert to base 10 from base 5, use the standard deviation, so base 5. So put a base over here. So you drop, multiply, you add. So you're going to get 16 on top. And then 44. So you drop, multiply, drop. So you get 24. So when you reduce, you can reduce by 8. So you get 2 over 3. So this is base 10. And this is base 5. Okay? So just a little bit tricky on this one. Okay. Let's go to 165. Now, which is the largest integer? What is the largest integer of x for which 1 over x is larger than 4 over 49? Okay, so to do this, okay, first let's go ahead and multiply by common denominator. Okay, so get rid of fraction. Let's multiply by common denominator. So multiply by 49x. So that is cancel out, and this cancel out. So you got 49 is greater than 4x. And then you divide by 4, So x had to be less than, well, this would be 12.25. So x is an integer that it had to be less than that. So the largest number that x can have is 12. Okay. Okay, let's go to 166. Okay, express the absolute value of difference between, so you have 0.36 repeating and 0.36. So you're looking for the difference between them. Well, obviously this is going to be bigger than that because this is 0.363636, and this one stops at 2 digits, right? So this is going to be bigger than that. So you want to find a difference between them. Now there are a couple ways of doing this. One is you convert this into fraction, and you can subtract. But that way you need to have 2 conversions. So I like to go and subtract first. Okay. So 0.36 repeating minus 0.36. This is equal to 0.3636 dot 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 minus 0.36. Right? So you're going to get 0.00363636 dot 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 dot. So now all you have to do is just convert this one number. Okay. So let x equal to 0.003636 dot dot dot. I like to kind of write a couple more times, so that way I have the digit to line up. Now since this is a 2-digit repeating, so you have to shift over 2 digits. So you need to multiply by 100. And so you're going to get 36, 36, 36, 36, dot, 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 dot. Okay, and then go ahead and subtract. So you're going to get 99x equal to 0.36. Then go and divide by 99. Divide by 99. So x equal to, now I'm going to move the decimal 2 places over, so I get 36 over 9900. And then after that, go ahead and reduce by 9, so it'll be 4, 1100. And this one can reduce by 4, so divide by 4, you get 1, divide by 4, you get 275. Okay, so the difference between them is equal to 1 over 275.